Hey chat, can you give me a Japanese haiku?
Sure, I'd be happy to provide a haiku with a translation. Here's one for you. Di wa kinyo kwa sukidaki. Translation: asking is starkly linked to the bustling world scene. Silent stars whisper.
Like a magical dog resembling Harry Potter character flying on a broomstick through space. The dog is barely battling evil cat Demento. Can you tell me what is in this PDF?
The provided content appears to be an invoice. Here's a breakdown of what it contains. 1. Customer information. Name, Denny Gunawan. Address, 221 Queens, Melbourne, Vixie 3000. 2. Business information. Address, 123 Somewhere C, Melbourne, Vix 3000. Phone, 31234